children, welcome you all to St. Mary English High School, Subject Science, Standard 7. Chapter number 3, Properties of Natural Resources. In our previous two videos, we had studied about properties of air and properties of water. Today, we are going to study about properties of soil. What is soil? What is meant by soil? Soil is the loose upper layer of the earth's surface where plants grow. Soil consists of mix of organic material and broken bits of rocks and minerals. Properties of soil. Color is an important property of soil. The color of a particular land is dependent upon the soil color. The color of the soil near the land surface is darker than the color of the lower layer. Colors such as black, red, copper, yellow, grey. The color of the soil is useful for its classification. Classification of land is done from the color of the soil. Properties of land are also depend on the color of the soil present there. Properties of soil such as its fertility, drainage of water, capacity to hold water depend on its color. The color of the soil is dependent upon its texture, organic ingredients as and chemical ingredients like content of iron and lime. Water holding capacity of soil. Apparatus: 3 measuring cylinder, 3 glass funnel, filter paper, water, fine sand, coarse sand, soil from an earthen pot used for growing plant, etc. Procedure: feed cones of the filter paper in 3 glass funnel. Fill the cones with equal quantities of sand, sandy soil and clay respectively. Place the funnel on the measuring cylinder. Pour 1 test tube of water into each of the funnel and observe how much water is collected in each measuring cylinder. What inference will you draw from this? Sandy soil. The proportion of the sand, that is the large particle, is high in sandy soil. Water drains rapidly through sandy soil. It is easy to plow this soil, but it is less fertile. This is because the particles of sandy soil are made up of the minerals called silicon dioxide. These particles do not dissolve in water and therefore the soil has a very little capacity to supply nutrient. If water is available for irrigation, then crops such as maize, millets, barley, peanuts can be grown in desert soil. Next is the silt soil. The particles of silt soil are of medium size. Silt soil is not as plowable as sandy soil. However, it is much more plowable than clay soil. This soil contains a large proportion of organic materials. Its capacity to supply nutrient is much greater. Silt soil is also called as a sedimentary soil. We normally found silt soil nearby river growing and gardening with silty soil is almost always a joy because you can produce a broad array of plants. Also suitable for paddy, wheat, sugarcane, pulses, sunflower, groundnut, etc. Next soil is a clay soil. In this soil, the proportion of small particle is maximum. The particles of clay soil feel smooth to touch. Clay soil has a high water holding capacity. Clay soil is difficult to plow because it is sticky when wet. Clay soil are suitable for crops like rice, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, beans, peas, potato, etc. Soil structure. The structure of the soil depends upon different shape of particles in it. Soil occur in the form of columnar, laminar, granular as well as block shaped structure. Importance of soil structure. The fertility of soil depends upon soil. The advantages of good soil structure are as follows. Roots get a sufficient supply of oxygen. Water drainage is good. Therefore, the roots of plants grow well. Uses of soil. Plant conservation. It helps plants to grow. Water conservation. Soil hold water. As a result, by a means of bunds and lakes, we can get water for use throughout the year. Plasticity. Soil can be given any required shape. This property of soil is called plasticity. Because of its plasticity, we can use it to make articles of variety of shapes. These articles can be baked to make them hard. Water storage earthen pots, earthen lamps, idols, bricks, etc. are articles made from soil. Some useful type of soil. China clay. It is white in color. It is used to make crockery, bathroom tiles, tanks, laboratory apparatus, marks, jars, etc. Sardu soil. It is whitish in color. It is used for making statues and idols. Terracotta soil. This soil is red in color. Decorative articles and pots used for growing plants are made from this soil. Multani soil. This soil is used in cosmetic. Soil testing is done to find out the proportion of various ingredients of soil and to decide the fertility of soil. During soil testing, the following parameters are checked: color, texture, and the proportion of organic matter present. If there is a deficiency of any ingredients, and to decide the measure to cure the soil by reducing deficiency. The soil sample collected for testing is dried in an open space in the shade for 8 to 10 days and later shifted through a sieve. The pH and the electrical conductivity test are important to determine the soil characteristic. Sorensen was the scientist who put forth the concept of pH based on the concentration of hydrogen ions. So, it is of three types based on its pH. It is acidic, neutral or alkaline soil. Acidic soil pH less than 6.5, neutral soil pH 6.5 to 7.5, alkaline soil pH higher than 7.5. Of diminished soil fertility. Soil pH less than 6 or higher than 8, low proportion of organic matter, no proper drainage of water, repeated cultivation of the same crop, continuous uses of saline water, and excessive uses of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Soil texture is distributed if chemical fertilizers are used excessively, and then the land becomes unsuitable for sowing. Crops should be rotated in order to maintain the fertility of the land. For example, the fertility of land decreasing after harvesting of wheat. So, the crops like peanut, moong, moth bean, pea, lentil, Bengal gram, soya bean should be cultivated to restore the fertility of soil. Chemical fertilizers are used in excess, the soil texture is disturbed. So, such land become unsuitable for sowing. To avoid this, the crop rotation is done and it helps in maintaining the fertility of land. December 5. To make effort for conservation of soil every year on the 5th December, World Soil is observed.